Hello, my friends. Today we're off to visit Pip and Freddy at their main T.O.T.S tender. I'm really curious to see what kind of little guy we'll meet today. Let's put the puzzle together and see. What are you doing, little baby? Let's go, friend. Okay, number 1. We need 4 corners. Corners number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I see corners. But I don't know where is place for this pitch puzzle. Okay, where is number 1? Not. Look, friends, it's not the right variant. Okay, variant number 2. Oh no! Oh, oops. Variant number 3. Yeah! Yes! It is the right variant. Look, friends, great job. Okay, corners number 2. I see corners. Maybe this? Oh, no, it's not the right variant. Maybe this? Yeah! Look, friends. Yes, it's the right variant. Variant number 3. Corners? I see corners. But I don't know where is place for the pitch puzzles. These are these. And I think so this. Yeah! Look, friends, it is right. Cool. Oh, it's amazing. And corners number 4. Oh, look, friends. I think so. It is place for this pitch puzzle. Yeah! Look, friends. Now we have 4 corners. Wow, it is really good job. Okay, now we need all pitch puzzles with one sideline. You see? I know, you see. And I think so we need pitch puzzles with line this. One side, one line, this. Oh, look, friends. Very interesting this pitch puzzle for this place. What do you see? I think so, yes. Yes! like this video. Friends, like. It's a right variant. Okay, this pitch puzzle for this place. Oh, friends, look. Wow, I think so. It's place for these pitch puzzles. Okay. See. Yeah, look, friends. Wow, we have now 2 side with line, with one side line. It is very cool. Okay, now we need 2 pitch puzzles with line this. I see 1 pitch puzzles and 2. These pitch puzzles, this or this. Maybe this? No, friends, I must be wrong. I'm sorry. Okay, this. Yeah, cool. And this pitch puzzle for this place. Look, it is right. Cool. It is amazing. And now we need only 2 pitch puzzles. This one side line. This. And I see 1 pitch puzzles and 2. These pitch puzzles, this or this? Maybe this. No, friends, it is not right variants. This. Yeah, cool. And this pitch puzzle for this plate. And look, friends, you see, we did it. Now we have all pitch puzzles with one side line. Wow, it is perfect. On great job. You really perfect people. Maybe. Cool. Great job, friends. And now we need only two peach puzzles in center. And okay, one peach puzzle. This or this? And I think so. This. No, it is not the right variant. This. Yeah. Oh, friend. Okay. What are you doing, Peep?
Hold wing? You want to hold wings with me? To make me less scared?
Uh-huh. Yeah. You made Benny feel better about the light. Maybe he can make you feel better about the dark. After all, a friend can help you face your fears. Or two friends. What do you say?
Oh, it is amazing. Peep and Freddy, you're really great friends. Thank you for your adventures. Thank you for your history. It is really interesting. And thank you, my dear friends. I love you. And please subscribe and like this video. And see you soon. Bye.